Hi developers, this is Jimmy from Elstorm Games. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a cube sink into the ground when you step on it. I also have an announcement to make. I'm planning to make a few courses in Unreal. I don't have a date for it right now, but when it's ready it will be available for purchase on our webpage. So for those who are interested or just want to subscribe to our newsletter, click on the link in the description below and enter your email. When the course is available, we will send out some information about it. We will also give away some free stuff sometimes, so make sure to subscribe to our newsletter so you won't miss that. Now back to the tutorial. The first thing we want to do is to click on New Project and then First Person. Create Project. Here we want to create a new blueprint, so right click, Blueprint Class, Actor, name it to Cube _ BP. Double click on it. Add component, type cube, make it a little bit higher up, add component, write cool, box collision, click on the perspective and choose the left view, make it up a little bit like this, hit the space button twice and make it the same size. If you can't make it align with the box, you can press this button over here and change the scale snap. So then click top and do the same thing here. So now it's perfect, fine. Compile. When we look in the viewport now from the perspective, you can see that we can see the trigger box. What you do now is click on the box, scroll down to on component begin overlap, go to the event graph, and from here we're going to drag this out and we're going to type gate, and we can use the gate to execute a function once only, but when the game starts now this gate is closed, so untick this one. Then we're gonna go down to cube, drag this out, get cube, and drag it out from here and type get world location. Add this out, promote to variable, and connect these two. We can set the name of this also. We can call it init location. Next step is we're going to make a timeline. So drag this out, add timeline, double click on it, and it's 5 seconds now. So we're going to create a new float. Click here, right click, add key to curve float 0. Set the time to 0, value to 0. Right click again and add another key. This we're gonna set to 5 and minus 200. If you click on these two buttons now, we can see that we have a nice curve here. Compile that, go to event graph, and now we want to take the cube, drag it out, get cube, drag it out and set world location. Connect these two. Now we want to take our variable we set before, get init location, right click on it, split struct pin, so get all 3, and do the same thing over here. Connect X with X and Y with Y, and Z, drag it up here, hit the plus button, click float, add this one over here. This is the value we get from the timeline, and connect it to Z. And in the end we're going to drag this one to close, so we're going to shut the gate so it will only happen once. When you finish, compile. You can close this one, you can drag this out and put it over here and play. So when you jump on it now, it sinks into the ground. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter, and I'll see you next time.